Hello, I am a microwave and I am going to draw my life. It was 1864 when the man by the name of James Clerk Maxwell predicted me by use of his equations. Later in 1888 Heinrich Hertz proved the existence of me by building a device that produced and detected my radiation. I am emitted by the sun, but I am mostly blocked by the Earth's atmosphere. That is me. My frequency ranges from 300 MHz to 300 GHz. My wavelength ranges from 30 centimeters, the length of a standard notebook paper, to 1 millimeter, the thickness of paper. As a microwave, I can warm up yummy food by agitating water molecules in food at a specific frequency. I am also used in the military because I can send information, either far or short distances, and also detect distant objects. There is loss of nutrients when you use microwaves, and I can cause damage to cells and tissue if you are exposed to too much of my radiation.